You've just gotten out of a serious relationship, and suddenly you're back in the dating game. You meet someone new, and things are going great, maybe even too great. But what if the foundation of this new romance might be shakier than it seems? Welcome to the world of rebound relationships. Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the shocking truth behind this roller coaster of love. Section number 1. A recipe for disaster. Are you unknowingly stirring up a disastrous love potion? Discover the secret ingredients of a rebound relationship. Rebound relationships can often seem like the perfect remedy for heartbreak. But there's more brewing beneath the surface. When you jump into a new romance before you've fully healed from a previous one, it's like mixing volatile chemicals together. The results can be explosive. Think about it. When you start a new relationship with unresolved feelings from your past, those emotions can seep in and contaminate your new bond. This can lead to a dangerous mix of insecurity, confusion, and even denial. What may seem like a fresh start could actually be a ticking time bomb waiting to detonate. Section number 2. The speed of love. Is your new romance moving at warp speed? Find out why accelerated love can signal a rebound in the making. When you're in a rebound relationship, there's a tendency to rush things. You might skip crucial steps, like getting to know each other deeply and addressing potential issues before they become major problems. This whirlwind of emotions might feel exhilarating at first, but it can quickly lead to an unstable foundation that's bound to crumble. So, how can you tell if you're racing towards a rebound? Keep watching as we reveal more warning signs that might indicate you're caught in this risky game of love. Section number 3. Unresolved Emotional Baggage. Do you keep comparing your new flame to your ex? Uncover the hidden danger of unresolved emotional baggage. When you're in a rebound relationship, it's common to constantly measure your new partner against your former lover. While it's natural to draw comparisons occasionally, constantly doing so can create a significant roadblock to forming a healthy, authentic bond with your new partner. This unfair comparison can lead to feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, or even resentment. Section number 4. The mask of happiness. Are you and your partner constantly grinning ear to ear? Learn the truth behind the mask of happiness in rebound relationships. But this constant need to portray an idealized version of your relationship can be exhausting and ultimately, unsustainable. In a rebound relationship, however, the mask of happiness can prevent you from facing those issues head-on. So, how can you differentiate between genuine joy and a facade? Stick around, as we delve deeper into the complexities of rebound relationships and reveal more warning signs to watch out for. Section number 5. Are you really ready? Do you wonder if you're really ready for this new relationship? Learn to assess your readiness and avoid the rebound trap. When the dust settles after a breakup, it's tempting to dive into a new romance to fill the void and escape loneliness. Being honest with yourself about your motives can help you determine if you're genuinely invested in your new partner, or merely using them as a band-aid for your broken heart. It's essential to heal and grow from your past relationship before embarking on a new one. Otherwise, you risk carrying over unresolved issues that can damage your new connection. Keep watching as we share valuable insights on navigating the complexities of rebound relationships and finding true, lasting love. Section number 6. The X Factor. Is your new partner fresh out of a breakup? See why the X Factor could put your relationship at risk. When your new love interest is also coming out of a recent split, you might be facing double trouble. Both of you might be trying to fill the void left by your previous relationships, which can lead to a shaky and unstable connection. While it's not impossible for two people on the rebound to build a healthy and lasting bond, it's essential to recognize the challenges that may arise. You'll both need to work through your unresolved emotions and ensure you're not projecting your past experiences onto your new relationship. So, how can you navigate these tricky waters and safeguard your budding romance? Stay tuned as we reveal expert tips on how to manage the complexities of a double rebound and foster a genuine, meaningful connection. Section number 7. The Emotional Roller Coaster. Are you experiencing a wild ride of emotions? Discover the thrilling yet perilous nature of the emotional roller coaster in rebound relationships. When you're caught in a rebound, it's not uncommon to feel intense highs and crushing lows. The excitement of a new romance can be intoxicating, but beneath the surface, unresolved emotions can create turbulence. This emotional roller coaster might make your new relationship feel exhilarating and passionate. But it can also be exhausting and unstable. The constant ups and downs can prevent you from building a secure foundation for long-term love. So, how can you determine if your relationship is an emotional whirlwind or a stable and loving connection? Section number 8. Navigating the minefield. Worried you might be caught in a rebound? Learn how to navigate the minefield and protect your heart. One crucial step in navigating this minefield is open and honest communication with your partner. Sharing your feelings, concerns, and even your fears can help both of you assess the relationship's stability and authenticity. So, what's the best way to approach these delicate conversations and ensure you're building a solid foundation for long-term love? Section number 9. Breaking free. Is it time to break free from the rebound cycle? Find out when and how to pull the plug on a doomed relationship. Ending a rebound relationship might be tough, but sometimes it's the best course of action for both you and your partner. Breaking free involves accepting that your relationship might be built on shaky ground, and recognizing that it's better to be single than in a potentially toxic partnership. So, how can you muster the courage to end a rebound relationship and find the strength to move forward? Stay tuned as we explore effective strategies for breaking the cycle and embarking on a journey towards genuine love and self-discovery. Section number 10. Rediscovering yourself. Feeling lost after a rebound? Learn the secret to rediscovering yourself and finding lasting happiness in love. To recover from a rebound, focus on personal growth, self-care, and introspection. Reflect on your experiences and identify patterns that may have led you into the rebound cycle. By understanding your own needs and desires, you can set healthier boundaries and make better choices in future relationships. So, what's the path to self-discovery and cultivating a genuine, fulfilling love life? Keep watching as we share expert advice on embracing your journey towards healing, growth, and lasting happiness in love. Check out the description below for more tips on love and relationships. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.